Alright, we are back at Central LRT Station, and it's Thursday, March 2nd. And look what has happened to the 1970s Montgomery Escalator on the east side of the end of the platform. Alright, here we go. This thing is now on the chopping block. And the new escalator, which is a Fujitec, on the west side of the platform, has finally been put in the service.
Back from the platform edge.
And let's go take a ride on that new escalator. We'll take a look at it.
Central Station.
And here it is. New escalator that replaced the 1970 Montgomery Escalator. Fujitec. Right line. Here where did he stop? Button, the key switch. There we go. These nice steps. Pretty nice. And at the top. From the top the next one, he switched. Where did he stop it? Now, over. Here we are, still. Over here is the entrance escalator and the street to the Concourse on the chopping block. Still, that still is the same as well as the elevator. They're just on the process of being modeled. And see, and then look at that. It's all barricaded off. This whole for the escalator and the elevator. You know, have a nice old glass over here. Yeah, Montgomery Escalator, which is now on the before shut off and will be torn out. Other than that, that would be it.